Now after purchasing the Pro version, you need to activate it. So I have already activated the Serial Number Pro, that's why it's not asked for the license key. Now see the premium features. Let's reload this page. Now I will just reload it. Okay, now you can see you can import your serial keys by CSV file. Also, you can import serial keys from text file. You have to select one product at a time for text file import. You can't select multiple products at a time for the text file. Now let's upload a CSV file. So I choose a file and you click on import. You can see successfully 19 serial keys are added for my products. Now reload the export page so you can see you can export any specific product, or also you can export all your product at a time. It's your choice demand. So here is using options for the export. So here is the file I just exported for my CAP product. Now let's see the generator. This generator is for a pattern. Can generate multiple or many serial keys at a time. If you have a specific pattern for serial keys, it will automatically generate, or you can generate it just by clicking on the general field. Like if I enter 10, it will generate 10 serial keys for my product. So you can see 10 serial keys is added successfully. So here is my settings section. If I reload it now, I'll find some advanced settings. You can see there are some important options in the advanced setting. You can allow your duplicate serial keys, but not recommend it. Also, you can customize the key properties that will show in the email or the thank you page. You can try it out. I will not go further now because the video is quite long. So here is the translation section. Here you can change it. It will be useful according to your products. This very good thing for customers. Now let's go back to the products. You cannot add serial keys for your variable product without the Pro version. You can easily enable the serial keys for your variable product. So now let's check it out. We have to go into the variation section. Okay, let's check it out. You will find out the options manually added, generator, and auto-generated serial key source option. The auto-generated option will automatically generate the key. You don't need to do anything, that it will randomly create a key for your product. See if I click on the cap product. Here I have two generators for this cap. If I click on the serial numbers and I select the generators option, you can see there is two options for me rules. So depending on which one you select, it will generate a serial key for your product. You can also set deliver quantity, like one product will get 2 keys for 1 quantity. The serial keys table will help you to maintain your business. There are lots of filter options that will save your time. You can reset the activation of serial keys with just one click. It may be a helpful feature for you if you are using activation-related products or games or software. You can filter by customer, product, or order. There is a search key field. If I enter a key there, it will find out that key. So it's also very good to see. Now I want to end the video with the conclusion. If you need any help regarding this plugin, let me know. You can also check out the documents shown if you are interested in buying this plugin. I can help you by sharing discount coupons. I always get updated from them. Also, you can try their chatting service. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it's helpful for you. Thank you.